Let us solve this challenging integral. So we have here the integral of e raised to x over e raised to 2x plus 1 dx. In this kind of integral, you can use a trick. Notice that the denominator contains e raised to 2x. And that can be expressed as e raised to x squared, applying the law of exponents, particularly the power of a power rule. Now, we can let u be equal to e raised to x. And squaring u, we have u squared equals e raised to x squared. And earlier, that is just e raised to 2x. Now, differentiating, we have du equals e raised to x dx. Remember, the derivative of e raised to x is just the function itself, e raised to x. Now, this original integral can be expressed as this e raised to x dx is equal to du. We have du over what is e raised to 2x. E raised to 2x is your u squared. So we have u squared plus 1. Now, by recalling the integration formulas, if you have the integral of 1 over u squared plus 1 du, the integral of this is arctangent of u plus c. Hence, the integral of the original function, which is e raised to x over e raised to 2x plus 1 dx is equal to arctangent of u. And what is u? U is equal to e raised to x. So the integral is arctangent of u, that is e raised to x plus c.